Are you looking for a countertop material for your kitchen while redesigning or remodeling it? And there are a million options you torn between them? Keep watching this video because we're gonna talk all about different kitchen top materials and what's different between them and which one goes and fit your style. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Asma Diab. I am an interior architect, and you're gonna find many helpful videos here talking about decor tips and how to design your space. If you are interested, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the red button below the video and the bell next to it. So stay tuned. When you design your kitchen, you have so much to think about. You have flooring, cabinets, appliances, and the one that has most different types to choose between is the countertops materials. So let's know first the difference between each type and the pros and cons for each one and which one can go and fit your style. So we have two types of materials you can use in your countertops. First, natural materials like natural stones and wood. Second is man-made materials like stainless steel, man-made stones, concrete, tiles, and laminate. Now let's get to know more about these two kinds of countertops materials. If you're gonna use the natural materials in your countertops, it's gonna be like any other natural materials. It needs a regular maintenance between high and low because some of them has high porosity. That means if you spill any colored liquid on this stone like glass wine or tomato sauce, any kind of this colored stuff, it's gonna sweep into these pores and it's gonna stain your beautiful countertop stone. But you can solve this problem by regularly sealing your countertop. Some of them need to be professional sealed and some of them need to be like regular from any store like Home Depot or any professional in this kind of job. And the different period to seal each countertop materials, it's vary between each material. Another cons for natural material besides they are highly maintenance, they are kind of pricey because they bring it from another countries like China, Italy, and Brazil. So they might be not everyone's choices if you have a limit and tight budget. On the other hand, using a natural stone in your countertop, it gives your kitchen a luxurious look and make a statement for any kind of kitchen. Because it develops patina over the time, that's add more value to your stone and became more beautiful. And for who doesn't know what patina is that green or blue or sometimes bronzy film shows on the surface of the stone, created and produced by the stone itself over the long period. It might consider cons for some people of using natural materials, but for other people like me, it's a masterpiece of art. Now the first natural stone in our list today is marble. So marble is the one of the most beautiful natural stone you can use in your home. It always looks high-end because of these lot of variety of patterns and veining came with different slab and piece. And it works great with many different home styles like farmhouse or contemporary very modern one. Depends on the finishing if it's polished or honed. But I don't really recommend marble for your kitchen countertop because it's expensive and required high annual maintenance to be sealed by professional people. And still, it's easy to get stained and scratch. The second material today on my list is granite. Granite is the most durable material in natural stones. That's why people usually pick it. It's heat and scratch resistant, and also has these beautiful natural veining and patterns, which helps a lot to hide your seams in slabs. When you buy slabs for your countertop, you usually have seams, so these too many patterns will help a lot to hide it. But since it's a kind of porous material, it needs to be sealed, but not like professional people like marble. Moving on to soapstone. So the first pro in this one, that it doesn't stain, because it's not porous material. That's why it requires really super low of maintenance. And it's durable, heat-resistant material, but not as granite and marble. The cons of soapstone material, it comes in minimal variation of colors. Another con of this material is the typical slab is 7 feet only. So you are going to have seams not hidden because it doesn't have that many patterns veining like granite and marble. The last natural material usually used in kitchen countertops is butcher blocks. It's a slab of wood. They got it by cutting out the wood in different ways to show the fade grain and edge grain, and they glue it back together to get the slab of wood. Depends on that cutout. It's really beautiful, it's really natural look, and it's a sustainable material. But the cons of this material, it's not heat or wet resistant because it gets swelling, but it's by use and tear and wear, it became beautiful and gives this vintage look. It used a lot in farmhouse and modern style. Let's move on to the other type of countertop materials, which is man-made materials. We have the most popular one, which is quartz. Quartz is really popular material to be used in kitchen countertops. It's very durable like granite, it doesn't require any ceilings, and they create a lot of patterns, looks exactly like marbles and other beautiful natural stones. And the con of this material is not heat resistant because it has 7 to 10% resin, and also if your kitchen has partially exposed to sunlight, so by the time this part will discolor other than the part doesn't expose to sunlight. So you need to be aware of this point. So the second man-made material we have today is the concrete countertop. It's not a regular concrete as you think, it's a precast material, and they come in a variety of colors. It's a very beautiful materials, it's very durable, and mostly used in industrial style houses. But the con of this one, it's not easily repaired. It requires a quality foundation of base cabinets because it's a very heavy material, and also it's expensive one. Another man-made materials which is not recommended, tiles and laminate. They looks very cheap, it's not stylish, and it tears and wear easily, so it doesn't make any good for any style you use in your home. Now, after we know most of the kitchen countertop materials, you have to ask yourself some questions to make the right decision to choose between all of them. And your answers to these questions will help you to narrow down your searches and options. So the first one, what's your budget? Are you gonna go with the high-end expensive one? Are you looking for a natural materials? You're looking for a static look, luxurious vibe? So you're gonna go with natural stone, the durable one. Also, you need to ask yourself how you're gonna use your kitchen. Is it gonna be a public, like for all family and friends, have over your friends in your kitchen, on the island table, bar area? So you need a durable, heat and scratch resistant, like granite, soapstone, or concrete. That's why the function should be your always top priority when you select a material, especially your countertop. Okay guys, we came to the end of this video today. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. Before I go, I also sell some cool and unique design t-shirts. You can get all these t-shirt designs from Amazon, and you can get all these designs as well on different products like accessories, pillows, phone cases, and much more. You will get all these products from my store, and I will leave all the links in the description box below. I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye bye.